7 kilometers from Bahawalpur city via Ahmadpur, 2 hours drive approximate. 98 kilometers via Nurpur, 2 hours 10 minutes drive approximate. It's a single road, but in very good condition. January 2023. Dera Rawal Fort is a fortress in Ahmadpur, East Tehsil of Bahawalpur district in the Punjab province of Pakistan. Approximately 20 kilometers south of the city of Ahmadpur East. One of the historical mosques, Abbasi Mosque, located close to Derawar Fort. The walls have a perimeter of 1,500 meters and stand up to 30 meters high. Dera Rawal Fort was first built in the 9th century AD by Rai Jajja Bhati, a Hindu Rajput ruler of the Bhati clan. In the 18th century, the fort was taken over by Muslim Nawabs of Bahawalpur from the Shahotra tribe. Later rebuilt in its current form in 1732 by the Abbasi ruler Nawab Sadeq Muhammad. But in 1747 the fort slipped from their hands owing to Bahawal Khan's preoccupations at Shikarpur. Nawab Mubarak Khan took the stronghold back in 1804. One-thousand-year-old catapult shells were found in the debris, near a decaying wall in the fort. like Bikar du Shukiria,